Guys, welcome to my trade recap. So I'm gonna be going over the trades that I took on Friday, um, Friday the 15th of May. So let's get into it. All right, we are on Nasdaq. We made new all-time highs on Thursday. Asia session, Friday's Asia session was pretty bearish. As you can see, we pretty much absorbed all of the gains from the week, and price traded towards this low right here. So basically I thought that it's gonna get swept, that we're gonna take out some liquidity. We also have a 15-minute gap resting here, but as we see, price didn't tap into it, it didn't even retest it, and we just retested this 15-minute gap and then exploded back up. What I did, I was looking for buys, obviously, and I was targeting a support level right here, basically a resistance level. But as you can see here, this New York high, we are breaking out. We're breaking out here. Price is coming back, mitigating this level, going back up, going back down, retesting this support here, bouncing back up. We're going back down. We are breaking through, and during Asia session, we are also getting another retest of this level. It's not that clean, but we can see that is approximately the level here. So I just targeted this. And also we see this low right here that we can target. So my shorts, my first setup was to buy a 15-minute candle. It was I think I bought right at the market open, I think even before. And then as you can see here, I get stopped out pretty much. I get absorbed with this candle right here. So I was entering off a hourly gap. This was the gap. This was the hourly gap. I see that we are not inversing it. You see here, price is reacting from it. We are just mitigating it. And then I anticipated a bullish move right here, bullish bounce. After this candle right here was created. So I just went long, got stopped out with an impulsive manipulation to the downside, and then price just continued back up. The entry, my entry should have been later. I should have been just waiting for this, or at least placing another trade right here, right at the closure of this candle right here, placing my stops below the wick and placing my take profit on the level. And as you can see here, price beautifully tapped into it. And guys, this is not just me making review of the trades after price played out. This is actually the setup that I had in mind, like literally. This is the idea, this is the setup that I should have been trading, and I had that in mind, but my execution wasn't right at that day. I then just took few setups of a 5-minute fair value gap and a 1-minute fair value gap inversion to target the highs, and then I moved my stops to break even. And this should be the key takeaway that I want to address in this video. It's not the technicals right here, because pretty much, as you can see, it's structural clean idea that I had for the market. But in trading, it's not about that. If you have a certain level of experience in the markets, if you have a certain level of technical analysis, as I'm having it right now, you then just gotta stick to your plan while you're trading. And I wasn't that day. Not even talking about this particular trade right here that I showed you. I think this wasn't even in my mind to take this trade, to be fair with you, to be honest with you. But the trades afterwards, the trades of a 5-minute IFVG, where I moved my stop loss to break even, and then I got stopped out on this move. Price came back to my break even here. My stops were like at this level, somewhere here. But it doesn't really matter. What matters is that it wouldn't be a loss if I would just let my trade run and just believe and trust and have faith in a position. It was simply emotional, and I was trading. I can tell you what I was trading. I was trading my first loss. It was this first loss right here, this first loss in the account where I'm getting stopped out by this bearish candle, as I told you. And all of my trades following, all of that ideas to put your stops break even, put your stops break even. It's simply my mind telling me protect your account, protect it, you gotta protect it. But what I abandon is my setup, my fucking setup and my strategy. Because if I'm letting this trade run, this would have turned into a, I don't know, what was it, 1 to 4 risk to reward trade. On on this day alone, I had 3 trades with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4. The first one I lost, the other one I put break even. That's it. And this would have worked. It would work. I would go profitable for the day. I would be green for the day. But just my mind telling me to put my stops break even. Why? Why would I move my stops break even? I already set a stop loss. Sometimes, yes, sometimes it's not that bad, and it makes sense to put your stops break even. But in this case, where it just beautifully went to my take profit, because I know that I put my stops at break even just to feel comfortable in this particular situation. Sometimes, yes, if it makes structural sense, if it makes technical sense, if you analyzed it, and you're not trading emotions, you're not trading your loss, then yes, then you can go for it, right? Go for it. But anything else, just dump, because I'm just losing money. I'm just missing money here. What I'm not missing is the lesson. I'm definitely gonna take the lesson from the situation. Journal it, guys. Journal your trades. Journal your mistakes. Understand them. Own them. And just work on them. Improve on them. Don't just go into another day thinking that you're good, that you're gonna make money, that you all said you're gonna make money, but focus on the process. Focus on the things you can control. It's easy. Trading is fucking easy. Like, tell me what is not easy about a bearish fucking bias that we have. We have Asia bearish move on the Asia session. What do we see? We're coming in. This is basically 9:30 German time in the morning. Me coming to the charts and just seeing, just noticing this IFVG right here on the 5-minute. What is wrong about that? Also, after we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap and closed below. So we have already 3 confirmations. We have the bearish bias from Asia session. We have the fair value gap mitigation, the fair value gap retest, the closure below, and we have a beautiful inversion of this trade, beautiful inversion of the fair value gap. It's not that hard, but you're making it hard constantly, and you then just put your trade on, put your stop above the fair value gap, above the IFG, and you just target the lows that you have right here. You just target the first and closest low that you have. This would be the swing low right here. You just put your take profits right here, and you're good. You're good for the day. You don't even have to trade afterwards. You don't even have to come back New York session and to trade. But this is already a 1 to 4 trade. Easy money, easy. It's so simple, but we're making it so hard. Trading emotions, trading previous losses or whatever. Stick to your strategy, guys. I'm gonna be back next week recording trade recaps, and I'm also participating in the Tradeify Grand Cup. I'm committed to win it. I'm determined to win it. and I'm gonna be making some content on that, posting some posting my situation, my current balance, posting my trades, and how it's all going. I think it will be nice for you guys to see that. Thank you for listening. I'll see you.